Hello embedded developers, Bill Petrick here. This series of videos is based on my book, Learn Harmony V3 for PIC32MZ. But you don't need to buy the book to enjoy these videos and to learn all about harmony. The book just adds more detail and dimension. But before you go that far, let me warn you that the microchip updates to the software components occur frequently, and the book and the videos are or will be out of date days, weeks after it's published. But that doesn't mean it's not useful. It's a very good guide if you understand that some of the screenshots might not look exactly the same, but you can still use it to trace a path to a winning project. Now, Harmony is part of the development environment that's available from Microchip, and it's free. And Harmony itself is focused on 32-bit applications. However, free it may be, but there's a steep learning curve. And the book and the videos are designed to shorten that learning curve time down to where it's quite reasonable, but it's still work. The videos use example-based learning to progress from a simple hello world starting point to a complex app that includes USB, TCP/IP, and FreeRTOS, all in the same application. Some of the first few videos are pretty long, which kind of shows how hard it is to get this thing started. There's quite a few configuration options that have to be set, and if you're not familiar with Harmony or the device that you're using, it can be extremely frustrating. So hopefully this book gets you past some of those high hurdles. So if you want to hear more or like the videos, hit the subscribe button and start with video number 1, and I'll see you there.